Take a look at all this stratus cloud cover. We have widespread overcast skies, a little bit more sunshine north of Grand Rapids, and most of us are staying dry. We did scour out some of that humidity from this morning. In fact, we had widespread fog, but now you can see perfect 10s across West Michigan. We'll continue to stay dry towards the surface, aside from one or two those light rain showers that are falling in the next few hours. Let's take a look at temperatures right now. You can see it's warmer just off to our east. That's because we had that cooler, drier air slowly flit in. Today, we are going to be climbing up just a few more degrees. So right now we're in the 40s and we should top out today in the 50s, the low 50s. If we take a look at Storm Track Lab, you can see a few of those showers. Again, nothing really significant. It is attached to a much bigger system here. In fact, there are several severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings with this storm system. And if we take a look at the threats for today, you can see Kentucky down through Tennessee, Alabama, and all the way down through the actually Texas region have that severe weather potential today. So if you're getting in the car, you're heading somewhere for spring break, keep in mind these are the areas that you are going to want to keep an eye out for some of those strong storms and really know what's going on in your surrounding area, because you can run into trouble pretty quickly on the road. If you're staying put, this is what to expect. Again, overcast skies. We start to clear out our cloud cover overnight tonight, so we can see that on your Futurecast. Today we started off with just cloud cover, and then we saw those rain showers build on in. I'm thinking once we get to about 3 o'clock, we'll see another small round. Most of this rain shower action is going to be south and east of Grand Rapids, and about 7 o'clock, we should actually get enough cool air that we could actually see a few snowflakes mix in for those same locations, south and east. After that, we start to dry out overnight, and then Saturday we see some sunshine before our next system, Saturday night into Sunday. So a very active pattern. We're seeing a lot of rounds of weather here. So again, the big dog is off to our south, sliding out that way. We're going to see a big clash of systems for our Sunday, or Easter Sunday. So notice how our temperature profile here is already starting to show the cooler air to the north, the warmer air to the south, and the boundary line is right over West Michigan. This is what's going to happen on Sunday, and depending on where that warm to cold air line boundary sets up, you could be on the warm side, you could be seeing upper 50s like Kalamazoo. I'm thinking you're going to be close to 60 on Easter, or if you live north of Grand Rapids and you're on the cool side of that line, your Easter Sunday is going to be a little chillier than that, probably closer to about 45, 48 degrees. So it's going to be a very split forecast across West Michigan on Easter Sunday, depending on where that warm to cold air boundary sets up. As we get closer to Easter Sunday, the forecast is going to become more fine-tuned. And if you've been watching Easter Sunday carefully over the past few days, you've been watching it flip back and forth. That's why, and I'll be in tomorrow morning, 6 and 7 a.m. We'll start to see a little bit more clarity there, and then definitely Sunday morning before you head out to service, I'll be on to kind of nail that down for you.
Okay, sounds good. Ellen, thank you. Here